Hi, this is Nandini, and today I'm going to answer a very important question which is often asked by the parents. And the question is, can I teach my children English at home? How can I teach my children to speak in English at home? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions for you and going to share some secrets so that you can teach your children English at home without sending them to any of the spoken English classes or language schools. Real easy ways which you can use to teach your children, particularly between the age group of 3 years to 6 years. You will be able to teach them speak English fluently, and that too without sending them to any of the institutes. Not only parents, but even grandparents. Even those grandparents who do not know how to speak English fluently, those parents who are not very fluent in English, those parents who are not very good at grammar rules, those parents who feel that their pronunciation is not correct, even they can teach English to their children sitting at home. You follow the ways I'm going to share with you all in this video. You are the best teachers for your kids, particularly for the children, those who are between the age group of 3 years to 6 years, 3 years to even 10 years, I can say. Because at that age, children are too much attached to you. They are emotionally connected with you. They want to be with you. They want to play with you. They want to have fun with you. So, if you teach English to them, they will be too happy and excited to learn to speak English with you all at home. Okay, now let's see how you can do this. First thing, fix up a time. Fix up English time with your kids. You can fix up this time in the morning, in the afternoon, or after returning from your office. But see that every day you have some English time with your kids. Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, or maybe 1 hour. You will know when your child starts getting bored. When you see that the child is not much interested in the English time on that particular day, shorten it up. Begin with 15 minutes every day. Right? Second important thing, don't use textbooks or worksheets or teach them any grammar rules. All these things will be done in the school. Make this English time as pleasurable, as enjoyable, as interesting, as exciting as possible. Make it extremely exciting. Let him feel that this time is for playing. Let him learn English while playing. Let him learn English enjoying. Let him not get bored. Okay, so how can we do that? I suggest TPR. What's TPR? TPR is total physical response. Children are very much interested in doing physical activity. They have high energy. They love to jump. They love to play. They love to go round and round in the house. Utilize these things for teaching English. Begin with simple words like sit, stand, walk, run, jump. Say sit, and then you sit down. Say stand up, and then you stand up. Say walk, and then you start walking. Say jump, you jump. You jump with the child. Let the child just observe you. Let him not do any action. He will watch you and he will develop a connection between the word and the act. Begin with just 5 words. Just tell 5 simple action words. Let the child observe. Repeat it again and again. Next day, you tell the word, you do the action, and ask the child to do the action along with you. For example, say sit. You sit down and ask the child also to sit down. Say stand up. You stand up and ask the child also to stand up along with you. Say walk. You walk and let the child also walk with you. Say run. You run and let the child also run along with you. Say jump. You also jump. You jump and let the child also jump along with you. Repeat this. Fine. The child will slowly develop the connection between the word and the action. Third day is for just giving a command. You sit and give him the command. Say sit. Child will definitely sit. If he doesn't, go to him, you do the action and then ask the child to do along with you. Repeat till he learns it. But don't point out that he has done something wrong. Don't point out his mistakes. He will be discouraged. He will not like to play this game. Let him feel that this is a game to enjoy. Say stand. Give the command stand. The child will stand up. Give the command walk. He will walk. Give the command run. He will run. Give the command jump. He will jump. He will be happy jumping up and down. Then turn this into a game. Chant it very fast. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, sit. When you say 2-3 times sit, stand, the child expects that after sit, you will definitely say stand. So he will stand. Even if you say sit, he will stand. And then you make it a big fun. You clap and you laugh and you say, hey, see what you have done. But don't tell this as if you're pointing out the mistake. So turn it into a game. Next day, see that he gives the command and you do the action. If the child is too small, like maybe 2-3-year-old, he may not say, leave him. You give the command, he will do the action. But a child of 5 years, 6 years, he will definitely play this game. After that, the next stage would be you add some more words. Sit slowly. And then you sit slowly. Stand quickly. Then you stand quickly. Sit quickly. You sit quickly. Stand quickly. You stand quickly. Stand slowly. You stand slowly. Let the child watch it first. Then next, let him do along with you. Then next, you give the command and the child will act. Sit quickly. The child will sit quickly. If he doesn't do, go to him, you do the action and the child will follow. You can turn this too into a form of a game which the child will love. Next, teach some more action words like point to the door and you point to the door. Point to the table, you point to the table. Point to your nose, you point to your nose. Point to the fan, you do it and the child will watch. You tell and do the action, the child will watch. Next day, the child will do along with you. You tell, point to the door, you point to the door and the child will follow you. Point to the table, the child will follow you. The next stage will be, you give the command and the child does the action. When you say point to the door, the child will point to the door. You say point to the nose, the child will point to the nose. You can turn this also into a game. Be creative. When you keep doing it, you will know what your child is enjoying the most. And you can modify the game according to his likes and dislikes. And remember, don't make these sessions long. If you find that your child is slightly not interested in at that particular time, don't force him to do. As long as he's excited, let him do. But if you feel that he's getting a little bored, stop the activity. So that he doesn't develop a negative feeling towards English time. The more positive feelings he develops towards this English time, the better learning will take place. So ensure that you create an enjoyable experience. The next stage would be, you can touch the table and say, this is the table. This is a pen. This is a laptop. This is my shirt. These are my specs. This is the chair. You just say this and let the child listen. Then you yourself ask the question and give the answer. What's this? This is a table. What is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is my shirt. What is this? This is a chair. Repeat it. Next day, ask the question and you tell the answer and ask the child also to repeat the answer. He will love to repeat. Even if it doesn't repeat, it's okay. Let him listen. Let him listen to these sentences. That's more important. Let him listen. This is a table. Let him listen. This is a pen. Let those words keep entering his mind. Let him totally get drenched with these English words. And these are simple words which anyone can say. These are simple sentences which anyone can teach the child. So you have slowly introduced sentences here. You have slowly introduced questions here. Now keep asking, not only during the English time, but even if you have taken your child outside, you can just ask, what is this? This is a shop. What is this? This is car. The child need not answer. You answer. You ask question and you answer. You can just point out at the things around and say, this is a plant, this is a flower, this is butterfly, this is a bird, this is a dog. Simple sentences. When you keep on repeating, the child will pick it up. This is how you have taught your child your mother tongue. And the same way, if you teach him English, he will learn it very fast. Now, the next important step is narration. Now, what's narration? Describing whatever you are doing. For example, you are taking tea. You are drinking tea. I'm drinking tea. Mama is drinking tea. Papa is listening to the news. Papa is working on the laptop. And if the child is doing something, you can say, you are playing with the ball. You are playing with the car. Anuj is playing with the car. Anuj is brushing his teeth. Mama is brushing her teeth. Mama is combing her hair. Narrate whatever you are doing. Mama is cooking. Anuj is taking his breakfast. Anuj is wearing his socks. Anuj is wearing his shirt. Mama is taking her bag. Any action anyone is doing, you describe, you narrate it. The purpose is the child should get drenched with English vocabulary. Once the vocabulary enters his mind, automatically he will start speaking slowly. It's a slow process, but a sure way. This is TPR, that is total physical response. So this is how you can utilize this summer vacation time for making your child fluent in English. This is a very good activity for summertime, summer break. And grandparents can be of great help because generally children go to the grandparents' house during the summer break. And when they go there, grandparents can teach them English. Even if they don't know, they can teach English. Parents, show this video to the grandparents and tell them how they can teach English to the kids. They will definitely do it, and the plus point is they will also learn English. That's all for today. I'm going to take out many more videos about the different activities you can do with your kids during the summertime or during the break time. So, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, smash the notification bell so that the moment I publish my video, you receive it. You get a notification. If you like the video, share it with other parents too, so that this can help them also. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.